Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers. Yes, I have a Wilson and BOHANAN lock here. At the back it says Columbia gas system. It was given to me by BJ Muley. Another thing I wanted to say about this lock is very heavy, nice lock. These old locks are well better manufactured than the new ones what we get from made in China and Taiwan and all that. Yeah, I don't have a working key for it. As you can see, it's locked up. I think it's got a bit of a rowdy bidding in here. There we go. Open. Whilst we're at that, well, that was a bit too easy, yeah. So whilst we're at that, I might as well have a go at picking this CISA made in Italy. If you can make out, it's a CISA 220-30. It's got a hardened long shackle. I'll be using this tension wrench what Thingy sent me, what is it, long one. And this lock contains security pins. As you can see, it went straight in a false set as you touch the back pin. There we go, easily done. But again, I'll just do that one again. There, so it's in a false set. There we go. That's the CISA done. So you might as well have a go on that. This is American, as you can see. Detention wrench for this. No, I think I'll save that for another video.